Hey guys, it's Lisa here. So this month we are going to focus on life insurance. Yes, September is Life Insurance Awareness Month. So we're going to focus this week on the single individual, never been married before and doesn't have kids. So it's literally just them. Why would you need insurance? Do you need insurance? You're not financially responsible for anybody. So if you keel over, yeah, your friends and family might miss you, but nobody's life drastically changes, potentially. So that's you might not need it. Well, if we want to potentially have a family in the future, so have a spouse, have children, or just have children in general, skip the spouse part and adopt, well, then we might want to lock in a healthy rate because life insurance is based off of your age and your health. So the older you are and the less healthy you are, the more expensive your insurance premiums become. Why is that? We'll take the perspective of the life insurance company. You're an older person, so our timeline to make money off of you is shorter. So we're going to charge you more. Well, if you have, some health issues, you're a greater risk of actually dying sooner than later and using the death benefit. Well, of course they're going to want to charge you more. Yes, it's morbid, but that's the business of life insurance. So you're not financially responsible for anybody. But if we do have some family medical history that we are concerned about, that you might inherit some conditions, then we can lock in a good healthy rate while we can get insurance. So that might be an option. Now, if we have chosen to not have children and not get married, so we're an older single individual and we have accumulated many assets potentially, like big 401k, we've got lots of real estate, then we might have a big tax issue for the people who inherit all of our things. And if we love those people, we might not want to burden them with this massive tax bill upon your demise. Life insurance can help solve that problem. Now, depending on who gets what, we can strategically plan. That's where your estate planning comes into play. So, for example, Secure Act made beneficiaries who are not spouses have to spend down IRA accounts over a 10-year period. Well, if we are, later in life, our siblings who are the people who inherit our assets are also, well established, that could be a big tax bill back to the government instead of what you were planning on doing is, giving those assets potentially to your siblings and then to your nieces and nephews, so forth and so on. So definitely looking at strategically who could potentially inherit certain assets. Make sure life insurance is a part of that if we need to. Now, if we are philanthropically, moved, then we could also have a nonprofit be a beneficiary for life insurance. Don't know that would be strategic or not. We might have our taxable assets go to our nonprofits and have the life insurance go to our family members. But if you guys have questions about, as a single individual, do I need insurance or not? Well, I always answer, it depends. So if you guys have questions about your particular scenario, let me know.